The Pavan or Pavan single. Step forwards on the flat of the foot, join the other foot, and a small rise and fall just adds some style. This step can be done backwards, the side, and from the side. The Pavan or Pavan double. Step forwards on the flat of the foot, then up on the toe for the second step, flat for the third, join, rise and fall. Step, toe, flat, join. This can be done backwards. The reprise. Step back on the flat of the foot, bring the other foot to join it. You step back diagonally, and the step takes the time of a double. La Bonetta, the instructions. This dance is in 3 sections. Each section has its own music and its own steps. So the first section is going to be single, single, double, single, single, double, side, side, reprise. So, the second part of the dance is 2 doubles, side, side, reprise. And the third part of the dance is 1 double, 6 walking steps, 1 side, and reprise. You'll notice that all of these are doubled up, and also that at the end of each step sequence, you start the next with the foot that you used last. And that's the dance.